I will talk about how can you enable this sign or no, how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways on your Bluesky app. So all you have to do in first, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on accessibility, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Come here to Haptic feedback, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main Haptic feedback enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you accurate. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.